How to appeal an Instagram suspended account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to appeal an Instagram suspended account. To appeal a disabled Instagram account, you can either use the Instagram app or submit an online appeal form. If you're using the app, tap the Disagree with Decision button on the disabled account notification. After that, enter your login credentials, follow the on-screen instructions, and submit the required information for your appeal. The review process usually takes around 24 hours, but it might take longer depending on the complexity of your case and the volume of appeals. Alternatively, you can fill out the online Instagram appeal form. If your account was disabled due to general violations of Instagram's community guidelines, use the general appeal form. You will need to provide details such as your full name, email, Instagram username, and country. If you have a valid government-issued ID, upload a clear photo of it. If your account was disabled due to repeated copyright strikes or misleading content, use a different appeal form. After selecting I understand and wish to continue, provide your full name, email address, Instagram username, and a reasonable explanation for your appeal. Avoid claims like being hacked, as these can be verified easily. If possible, upload a photo to counter the intellectual property violation claim, such as written permission or a screenshot showing your content falls under fair use. Finally, verify your declaration and click Send to submit your appeal. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.